Take your spotlight.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Asipe and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Today my brother, like my little brother, is here. So I just woke up. I'm so sorry for opening the video looking like this, but my brother is here. He arrived yesterday from Res. Yesterday he late and he was leaving today. Guys, the time where your family members just don't like you, because why would you get later than the next morning you're leaving? But yeah, I want to make him breakfast. Honestly, if being here OT or cornflakes even, but I just want to make breakfast, like proper breakfast, and I don't have bread, so I'm probably gonna make pancakes. But let me do that. Hopefully I'm gonna show you guys, and I've been begging him to show on the camera at Takafuni. But let's see that. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Oh, by the way, my brother is leaving. My sister is arriving today. Oh, Sana. Also, another thing that I wanted to ask you: do you wake up and put on your Apple Watch? Or like, am I the only one? Because I need those steps aside now. I can't. Did you forget bed? Apple Watch is next to my bed in the iPad. But let's enjoy the vlog.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know I get it what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes. I try to leave you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you can on my body. Only you.
What is this? What is that? Oh, it's for the water that goes in here. But look at this, how cute. Love it. Down, get some. So this is for, and it's so tall. This is for the water. This is where you put in the water. I'm not sure if you can actually take this out if you want to clean it. I'm not sure. And then this is that, so beautiful. Love it loads. Oh, one thing about me, guess I don't know, love it loads. Let's see the freezer. Oh, okay, let's see the freezer. It has like 3 things. Okay, there's a like huge space, like. Ooh, time to let you go. I'll find this and go love. Hi besties, today at your 8 type alarm. It's the 5, 6, 7 between those days, but it's a Sunday, first Sunday of April, I believe. And the time is 10:49. I'm going to Midrand to help my friend shoot. I'm having coffee because dinner down. So I'm going to Madrid to help my friend shoot for a campaign. She didn't tell me what to wear, so I just wore this top and just plain jeans and my night dunks. Okay, I want to ask, is it that time already? Do we put on our big jackets? Because it's not hot, so I won't be able to wear just this. I have to wear something on top, right? But now I'm thinking, because it looks so cold outside, do I then keep a bacha or what? Let me show you my OOTD. Sorry, I'm wearing this top. I got it from Shein. The jeans, I got it from the Fix. I don't like them. I don't like those jeans. I'm just wearing them because I have to like. And I'm wearing my night dunks. I used to like the night dunks, like the high rise, but now it's time. Like and then that's it. But they're so comfortable compared to the A95. They're so comfortable. But let's get to Madrid.
Talk to me nice. Saying I'm
Lights. You're gonna have this one here. This one here. Okay.
You got 0.
0. Okay. Yeah.
1.
1.
Yeah,
Which
1.
one is?
I go to
Oh,
which
okay. 1.
0. Yeah.
I think this one is white berry. No.
Try again.
Try again.
Yeah.
Peach.
No.
Okay, let me take another one. Yeah, this is a peach.
Yes.
Berries.
Yes.
Mango.
I'm at Runback Wholesale Market. People have been hyping this up, so I'm just here to see what's going on. I thought it was just one shop. Let's go to Fruit and Veg.
love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. We did together day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, you can leave I go love me your body, baby. Love me your body, baby. And you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Love me your body, baby. Girl, you want me, baby. I just wanna let you know.
So those are the things that I got from the Fruit and Veg. I got some nachos, I got some strawberries, raspberries, sweet potatoes, and some peppers. And because I want to learn how to bake biscuits, I passed by Checkers to get a few things like baking soda, essence, and some flour. And then I passed by a Pet to get those measuring cups. They're so cute, I love them. This one belong. Hi and bye. Hi besties, I'm going to a rent show and I'm very late. I'm just here to show you my OOTD. Rent show is in the south of Johannesburg. I completely the last time I was there, probably years ago. But this is my OOTD. I'm wearing this t-shirt. I think I bought it from Cotton On or H&M, between the two stores. I'm not sure. I'm wearing the trousers from my previous vlog from Shein. these trousers, and I am wearing my AF1s. I'm also carrying this bag from Zara. I don't know about the shades, if I'm gonna go with those ones or those ones. Also, it's not too sunny outside. Those ones are a bit dark, so I think I might go with those ones. I don't want to wear the white ones because my whole face is gonna be white, and I'm not trying to go for that. Let's go to the red show. Hopefully I'm gonna show you guys. Bye.
I believe something. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to get better. I try to live, but I don't know why it's got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you can hold my body. Only you can hold my body. You don't need no other body. Then I need a mess of my mind. And I mean, if you get free of the mind, say your body talk to me nice. Say I'm my love, you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave, you go by. Yeah, if you leave, I go loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body.